Welcome to Boracay Islands with Ma'am Verma, our regional director. There are so many reasons why we need to love the Philippines. Join us as we discover Boracay Islands. Okay, so we are here now in the Grotto. Okay, as to the second day of our tour here in Boracay, so we will experience the different activities here, like parasailing, jet ski, of course, the hot kawa. We will also experience the zip line, helmet diving, and yung pinakagusto sa lahat ni Ma'am Verma na sumakay ay ang tinatawag nating UFO. Yay! Yay! Extreme experience! Alright, another day, another vlog. Ari naman kinasubong sa Crocodile Island. Come on, join us. Manakop kita, Crocodile. So, isa sa mga ginakatuan dali sa Island of Panay, no? Ang ilang akawa ba? So, subong experience na naton ang ilang akawa ba? Yeah.
Oh my God, hindi na buka na hindi sa sarili.
Okay, so tapos na nga mo na orientation. So we learn, kung gusto mo umakyat, ganito lang. Gusto mo magstay, ganito. If you're not okay, sign like this. So kung gusto mo ng okay, just like this. Sige, are you okay, guys? Parang walang energy, ha? No. Let's go. Let's experience helmet diving. Excited.
Nakakaba?
Oo, parang nakakakaba at at the same time excited.
Go explore under the sea.
More under the sea. So, balik ko mamaya, mayroon akong buntot.
Fin.
So, thank you for watching.
Wala kang diver. Good luck, Sir Ed. Ito na si Sir Aidan.
So this is the entrance of the Crystal Cove. Okay, going down. Sige.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet. The summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light.
Okay, so as to the third day of our vacation here in Boracay, we are here now in Pinnacle Resort for our dinner. Thanks to Councilor Nazareno. And
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky.